Scheduling PPM visits. Welcome to this tutorial on scheduling visits under a PPM contract. Once you have set up a PPM contract, you will want to schedule the visits required. In this example, we are going to set up 4 quarterly visits under the contract to show on the schedule for the customer. Select the Visits tab, as indicated. Now add a new visit by completing the description and the due date of the first visit as shown here. Select the Assets tab and choose the assets to be completed on the visit. Now complete the service type and any action notes required. You can also choose to add specific tasks to the visit, as indicated. Now save the visit details. We can clone this visit to schedule the 3 other visits required in this example. Once cloned, select the Save option. If we now open the scheduler, as indicated, you can see the scheduled visits. This schedule can now be exported to Excel and sent to your customer. Alternatively, the schedule is available in the customer portal for customers you have granted access to. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.